is like just a positive person. I like that. But sometimes I blood.
Oh, the most high blood is the BFN. Who is the lucky one, Mama Rose?
Miss Sharon, come please.
Ay, ikaw na yan.
Okay, Miss Sharon, stay. Stay, Miss Sharon. Stay.
Kawawa naman ako.
Okay, Miss Sharon. Mr. Gift, Miss Sharon.
Wow!
Okay, Miss Sharon, describe your bonita.
Wala bang ano, picture opening the gift? Later na? No, it's okay. Ganda nga eh.
Very sweet. Very sweet.
Lovable face.
Hagaball, lavaball, all the ball, above the all. Yeah! Love you.
Describe your bonita. Say, wala tayo picture. Sa binibigay mo sa kanya yung gift. Easy. Naubusan ang film. Sorry. Wala na.
Sorry?
Naubusan ang film.
Naka-video naman din eh.
Okay, next one.
Describe yourself because you monetize yourself. Oh,
May bonita.
it's me? I don't want. I don't like.
Siya isa sa pinakamasipag sa shop. Nag-isip.
Ako yun. Ako yun.
Hagaball.
Lavaball.
Lovable.
Walang love.
Wonderful. Karina.
Lagaball ha. Hagaball. Pinakamasipag yan ha.
Ito, surprise yan. Ay, Karina! Ay, Monita.
Karina, get your gift. Wow. Okay, Karina, describe.
Describe yourself. Oh, describe your monita pala.
Like, stay with me.
Chubby. Chubby lang.
Come on down, Judy.
I can find you when away.
Okay, Juby, it's your turn. Describe your bonita. My bonita is she's the new member of BFL Alwala.
Yeah. Welcome. Ay,
Ding!
bingi. Maganda ka sana. Bungol ka lang.
Santas lang.
I can find you when away. Call you on the telephone.
Okay, Miss Pearline. Kindly describe your bonita.
Like us! My God! Oh!
Alam niyo na ang nangyayari.
Ah, sino lang hindi nakakuha? Yun nakakuha sa akin.
Pwede ka pala. Nagsakit ka na.
Oh, wala na. Si Ka-Charlie na nga talaga.
Okay, Miss Christina Ibarra, describe your bonita. My bonita is sometimes from Cruz.
Sometimes. 2 times. 3 times.
Ikaw pala nakabukay.
Kawawa naman yung kay, baso lang.
I needed some time.
Okay.
Alam ko na yan.
From Pinakobra, kindly describe
said that?
Nanay niya, beautiful siya. Si Madam pala yun. Wow. Madam, ano masasabi mo sa'yo, Bonita? Madam, say something.
Thank you very much sa effort mo kung saan mo ito nabili. Wait ko. Thank you, Cha.
Ba't dalawa yung picture nila? Wala na feel. Masali.
Wala na.
Wala na.
36 lang. Yung
na
fake na
yun.
lang.
Yung kahit yung negative na lang.
Kaya lang, kuya.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, let's party. Kasi baso yan.